to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can unsubscribe from promotion emails like this, the ones that give you like discounts and like some reminders, etc. And you just don't really want to get any more emails like this. So I'm just going to select an email in my promotions box like this, and you are just going to press unsubscribe. Are you sure you'd like to stop receiving similar messages from BuzzFeed? Learn more. And then just press unsubscribe. And as you can see, I've unsubscribed from newsletter at BuzzFeed.com, and I can move it to spam if I want to. Um, but that is basically it. It is super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!